Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Elise Eats, and today we are going to be making Chantilly cream. It's a really straightforward recipe, it doesn't take long at all, but it's really nice to go on top of cake, pancakes, waffles, scones, anything. It's just a really delicate, delicious, vanilla-y sweet cream. That's all it is, and I hope you enjoy it because I love it and so does Flavia. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need. It's not many. So you're going to need about a cup of thickened cream. You can also use whipping cream here, but I like one with a bit more fat content. About half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, depending on how vanilla-y and beany you are. And then about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. I know Flavia likes her cream a bit sweeter, so we're going the 2 tablespoons. So this is a great recipe, and it only takes a couple minutes to get to put together. So you can make it literally just before serving something else. It's really quick and simple. Terrific. So let's get started. So we're going to put our cream, sugar, and vanilla bean into our mixing bowl. Then we're going to get our electric mixer and we're going to whisk it together for about a minute or so. As you can see, it's a bit between soft and stiff peaks. When you take the whisk out, it should just hold its shape. It smells incredible right now, and we're very excited. Yay. I would use this pretty much straight away, but you can keep it in the fridge for up to a day before serving it. It never lasts that long in this house. If you're having things like scones or anything, just put it in a beautiful bowl like we're doing now. If you want to get extra fancy, you can put a cute little fluted strawberry on top, because we're fancy in this house, sometimes. So that's how you make my version of Chantilly cream. It's very straightforward, very simple, and it's a perfect addition to any dessert, or if you're Flavia, eating straight out of the bowl. So yeah, I think she's very excited to try it, so come on, let's eat.
I love cream!
I know. No, she is. It's it's kind of like vanilla ice cream.
It is.
But it's whipped cream.
I could eat a bowl of that.
Try and make it, it's so good. Flavia's just gonna go into the corner. She's like a cat with cream, honestly.
Taking it with me.
Okay.
See you later!
Bye.
Thank you!
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns.
Lame.
I don't care.